How to fix the Tinder cannot delete account option. Hey guys, let's get started. If you are facing this problem, let's start with the solution. First of all, update your Tinder. For this, visit the Play Store. Search for the Tinder by tapping on the search bar. Here, make sure that there is the updated version, and if not updated, tap on the update button. Next up, open your Tinder and launch it. Log in using your credentials and now tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right. Once you tap on it, go to the gear icon and scroll down. And from here, check the subscription which is currently active. If so, you will have to first cancel them. After that, log out and log in again. And once you have done so, you can now tap on the delete account option or delete my account option and you should be good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you have got any queries, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.